Howdy y'all, so I'm in the shop organizing this disaster. Got everything trying to get put away. Um, and I had these baskets that I had brackets screwed to right here, like this, on both sides. And I had it fastened to the front of my cargo trailer, which is up there, that I was mowing out of. So I'd have all my equipment and stuff, parts, tools, yada yada yada, in here, fluids, to keep the business rolling. And I'm not going to use it no more because I'm not going to do lawns next year. I've done it for, next year we'll make it 5 years. So I'm done with that. Time to get a better job. So today I'm going to show you how to make shelves out of this. What I've done here is I got one. As you can tell, that's the bottom and that's the top. I've just turned on its side and I've done some things to it. You can see the top, which is one of the sides, have been ripped up. And now there's a trim piece on the bottom here holding everything back, so when I shut the doors, nothing can come flying. Because this is only like a 8 by 13, I think. Not really that big. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. This evening. Whatever. So the tools you're going to need for this are wood screws. I'm going with star head. You're going to need a Phillips or a star bit. Screw gun. Brackets. 2 brackets. And a hammer for prying. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is pick which side you're going to put on the bottom, which side you're going to put on the top. I'm going to put this side up on the top. And what you're going to do is just take this. And these are just simple staples. I'm going to show you what you're going to do to beef up the other side. Just take 3 out, leave the last one. Alright, now you might get these on the edge here. Really not much you can do. Just nail it in. Alright, once you get that done, flip it over. And with this side, right here, you're going to put a screw in the middle of every single one. They're only 1-inch screws. You're going to do that to both sides. Now, with you having this board off here, you're going to want to put a screw at the top, one in the middle, and now secure it to the wall there. And then you can put your trim across the bottom. And that's how you do it. Now, I was already dealing with split wood, so I didn't just do that. But it seems like it's gonna work. Ain't moving or nothing.